So you just want to continue to stir for 45 seconds. Another fact about pralines is that in the 19th century, chefs used to substitute pecans with walnuts. So we're going to pop it in the microwave for 2 more minutes, and it should be brown, and that's how we know it's ready. So this is how it should look. It's going to look burnt, you guys, but it's not. And I'm just going to add the vanilla extract. And what you want to do now is just stir until it becomes creamy. You want to wait until it becomes creamy before you add your pecans. Okay, I'm adding the pecans and I'm going to just stir. Okay, so this is the finished result. This one that's already been cooled. It's good. You can't even tell the difference.